Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in last video we saw what we are developing in this project and how we are developing in this project. Okay, so basically we develop in this video doctor appointment management system. Okay, doctor appointment system, and in today's video we setting up our project. Okay, so without wasting time, let's move to our computer screen. Now we are on computer screen. So I basically create a doctor appointment system folder on my desktop, and inside this folder I put my template folder. Okay, so this is our template. This template we use in our project. Okay, so basically now I need to create an environment. As we all know, first we create environment for our project. So simply for creating environment, python -m venv, and our environment name is env. Okay, we set our environment name is env. Okay, so our environment is creating now. Okay, so our environment is created successfully. So now we need to activate this environment. For activating this environment, we use command our environment name slash scripts slash activate. Okay, and now here we see our env environment name is in round.x, so that means our environment is activated successfully. Now we need to install Django in our environment, inside our environment. Okay, so for this we need to install pip install Django. Okay, so now our Django is installing. Okay, so our Django is installed successfully now. So let's see Django is installed or not. So for this, python Django -admin version. Okay, sorry, I need to type only Django -admin version. Okay, fine. So here see our Django version, we got our Django version 3.2.x. That means our Django is installed successfully. Okay, so now we need to create a project. For creating project, our command is Django -admin start project and our project name. Okay, so our project name is doctor appointment project. Okay, and hit enter. Okay, so see our project is created successfully. Okay, and now here we got a directory of our project, and inside this directory we have direct this application doctor appointment project. Inside this application we have init asgi urls wsgi setting files. Okay, so now setting up our project, I am opening this project in my VS Code, so I simply go log. Okay, so this directory is opened in my VS Code editor. So I simply create here a template directory, templates, okay, and also static. Okay, sorry, this static is not here. Outside is directory. Okay, I simply move this directory. Okay, so template static. Okay, now we need to set up my project. Okay, so first I import OS in my settings.py file, and I add a local host, my local host. Okay, and I'm adding here the template directory, templates. Okay, and I need to static add static parts. Okay, so for static file setting we need to add static underscore root equals to static. Okay, and static files directories equals to os.part.join. Okay, and here base directory comma static. Okay, so my static file directory is also set, and I need to add media underscore root equals to slash media. Okay, my media and media underscore url equals to os.part.join paste dir, comma, media. Okay, so our media and static file setting is done. And now in my URLs, I need to import from Django.conf import settings, and I also import from Django.conf.urls.static import static. Okay, and I simply add my static setting here plus static, and here I write settings dot media URL equals to document underscore root equals to settings dot media root. Okay, settings dot media underscore root. Okay, so our static file setting is also set. Okay, our setting is done, and now we run our project. So simply I open terminal and python manage.py run server. Okay, so I got some errors in URL. The media URL setting must be with slash. Okay, so URL media URL must be end with slash. Okay, so here media URL slash slash. I see. Okay, our project is running successfully now. Okay, so in our project we need some applications, some which are admin. So I create a python manage.py start app admin app. Okay, and python manage.py start app patient app. Okay, and docker also python manage.py start app docker app. Okay, so I created 3 applications. See here, all 3 applications are shown: docker app, patient app, and admin app. Okay, so I simply added these 3 apps in my settings.py file inside the installed apps. Okay, so admin app and patient app and doctor app. Okay, so I add my all 3 applications and add the URLs also. Okay, so I simply path doctor app comma include doctor app dot URLs. I simply copy paste same. Okay, okay, comma comma, and this is for doctor app, patient app, and admin app. Okay, simply here also doctor app, patient app, and admin app. Okay, so all 3 URLs are added. So we need to create the URLs file inside all our application urls.py. Okay, and here I simply copy same URL from here, paste here. I don't need this. Okay, I remove this all URLs and this static. Okay, so I simply copy this file and paste inside patient app, doctor app, and patient app also. Okay, so now I run my project. Let's see. So see here our root URL is not found, so I simply create a one main application which is a user side application. So this application shows the login, shows you without login users. Okay, so python manage.py start app main app. Okay, I created my application, and inside this application I paste the URL file. Okay, so simply I minimize this, and here is my main app and the new file. Okay, and I add this main app inside my install app. Okay, main app, and inside the URL I add the main app in root URL. Okay, so simply path, sorry, here, this is my root URL. Okay, so main app dot URL, I simply put here a blank. Okay, so means my root URL. So and inside this main app URL style I create one URL. Okay, so path, here my root URL, comma, first I need to create a view file. So def root, okay, I create a root URL here, and here I add views from dot to views import root, or I add a star, that means from views file all the functions here imported. Okay, so path root, comma, or views file name, comma, name equals to root. I put this in single or double quote. Okay, now I run my project. So the project is run successfully, and now I refresh the page. Still not found. Okay, so see here, then I print out the URLs. Oops, sorry, there is not my main app URL. This is my main app URL, so I simply paste here and use from dot to views import start. Okay, and now I refresh my page. Okay, so successfully run project. So we setting up our project is done. So our project is run successfully, as we see here, successfully run project. In next tutorial we saw how to create base file and inherit in another template. Okay, so thank you friends.